All right, so here I'm at a customer. Their unit is overflowing, drains clogged for the pan. I did sell them a interlock for their pump. They got 2 units going in one pump. They did not want to pay for 2 pumps, which would be ideal, 2 separate interlocks. But I set that up to interrupt the outdoor unit power if the pump overflows. And it has a built-in sensor, and I came in here with a little ice cube relay in order to break contact on both units. And but this is why it's important to have sensors in the pans. You can see the pan is overflowed to the edge. I haven't been out here in 2 years, so I normally put pan treat tabs in. Previously, I've been here every year for the last 5 years, never had a problem. So that's why preventative is very important to prevent things like this. But again, about that interlock, I have a watchdog. This will blink and sound an alarm, as well as cut it off, but it gives you a visual and audible warning about what's going on. But yeah, again, that one interlock serves both units, upstairs, downstairs. But if you're all interested, I'm gonna try to sell them, and they'll probably go for it. But I'll try to sell them some water sensors for the pans. You can get them in the traps. I don't really like those because they can give like a false reading and trip it out. So a contact that hangs in the pan, 2 little contacts that hang right on the edge, is good. But really, on a unit like this, they should have the overflow set up. And even if the overflow went into there, it would be better than this. Usually you would run a separate line out. Ideally, and that's what I could do too, is run overflows off both units to a separate pump. So that way it's also protecting that if that pump died, the level could come up. Well, it wouldn't either, because it would trip out there. But that's something to think about. So anyway, going to run a quick little snake through there. I don't blow stuff out. It makes a huge mess, especially in a pump like that, where all that air or nitrogen, whatever, is going to penetrate through the water in the pump and just spray all up everywhere. So I just, in a short little run like this, it's easier to use a little hand snake. You can crank it like this, or you can hook a drill on it, which is excessive for this. But Brasscraft got it at Home Depot, cheap, worth its weight in gold for sink, stuff like this, whatever. So anyway, I'll see you on the next one.